In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to increase your withdrawal limit on TikTok. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Right here is the home page of my TikTok app. At the bottom, you can see your profile right there. So go ahead and click on the profile icon and it's going to direct you to this page. At the top right corner, you can see the 3-line icon. Click on it and click on balance. So when you do that, right here you can see the option of view. You need to go ahead and click on view. So right here you can see where it says live rewards. You can go ahead and click on it in order to expand that section. Looking here, you can see the option of where it says how to increase withdrawal limits. Let's go ahead and click on that in order to understand how to actually increase our withdrawal limits. Now, looking right here on the screen, it says here, the more gift reward you receive this month, the higher the limit for the next month. For tips to collect more reward, watch tutorials on Live Academy. So right here, the more gifts and earnings you receive on TikTok is going to determine the increase in your withdrawal amount. So let's take for instance, you earn up to 100,000 USD on your TikTok account. You'd be able to withdraw 50,000 USD as your daily withdrawal limits. So the higher the amount you earn on TikTok is the higher the amount you'd be able to withdraw. So that is how simple it is to actually increase your withdrawal limits by increasing your earnings on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.